it's your girl Dion Charmaine, and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. If you guys are new here, take 1 second for me and go down below and subscribe to my channel, and then also give this video a thumbs up. And if you're really rocking with your girl after the video ends, make sure to hit that notification bell and you'll get a notification whenever YouTube decides to let you guys know that I upload a new video, because you know they never do it on time. So if you can't tell by the title or the background or this bomb makeup look that I did, we're doing a real simple, cute Valentine's Day makeup look. I don't know about y'all. I don't know if y'all have Valentine's or if y'all doing something for Valentine's Day. I'll be in the house. I'm not doing anything for Valentine's Day, and by the time this video is up, it's going to be Friday, so y'all know y'all only got 2 or 3 days for Valentine's, so I'm trying to give y'all a look before Valentine's Day. I'll be in the house for Valentine's Day this year, so y'all can go out and have fun for me. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna stop rambling, and if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching.